Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jessica. If you are new, I would love to have you introduce yourself in the comments so I can say hello, and I would love to have you subscribe. So I like listening to this relax and unwind playlist on Spotify. This is not my playlist, it's just one that they have. So you just search relax and unwind, and that's what I listened to during this video, and it was super relaxing. I felt like this was the perfect time to do a relaxing bedroom cleaning routine because it is Valentine's Day, and I know a lot of us would like to make our bedroom relaxing and maybe even a little bit romantic. Of course, it's just me and my dog, but we did sleep really well this night.
You may be hiding in a while. I know you're coming home tonight. I know.
So that is my husband's pillow, and I have his shirt that he wore before he left, and I was putting it into the pillowcase just to keep it safe. And I will not wash that pillowcase for the whole time that he's gone. I will keep it just the way he left it, but I did want to go ahead and change my sheets. These sheets that I'm putting on are my favorite that I've ever had, and I will have them linked in the description box.
For every spoken word, I wish for silence. For every storm, I long for peace. For every step I'm taking, there's a sidewalk. There's a road, a way to get to you. To get to you. To get to you. To get to you. Oh, yeah. I wanna get to you. I wanna get to you. I'm on my way. Whenever I'm off to
So now I'm going to go in and dust off all of the furniture. It does get pretty dusty in our bedroom, so I wanted it to be nice and clean and shiny, and I love Indust for this purpose. It's my favorite for furniture. I like it so much better than Pledge. It smells so good, and it does a really good job. You can just see, I don't even have to talk about it. You can just see, look how shiny it makes your furniture, and it doesn't leave it like greasy. It just makes it really shiny and pretty, and it smells great on top of that.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it? And did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? It's too late now, 'cause I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you
And then I decided to go ahead and run my air purifier in here. I do run this almost daily in my bedroom just because I have bad allergies. I love this one. It is by Whirlpool. It is a big one, but it does a really good job, and I kind of switch between the living room and the bedroom. It has a bunch of different settings, and one of my favorites is that it has a sleep mode. So that means it pretty much dims the lights entirely and it runs really quietly. I also like it for the background noise because I'm one of those people who likes to have background noise when I sleep, but it is a really good one, and I always have it listed in the description box if I show it in a video, and I do have a 15% off coupon. And now I'm just taking some lavender essential oil that I mix with water, and I'm spraying a little bit on my pillow, and then I'm taking that same lavender oil and putting it into my pineapple diffuser, and that is linked in the description box if you're interested.
I need you tonight. Together we can go crazy. We can put out the lights. Together we can go, we can go. I look straight in your eyes, and everything is so hazy. It is just you and I, and everything is so, so call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy.
And then to finish it up, there's nothing like fresh carpet lines, so I did vacuum. I'm using my Dyson V8. I love this vacuum so much. I love the Dyson cordless vacuums. They are awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you click out. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. I do a cleaning video at least once a week. We are a military family. We have 2 little girls and we have 2 fur babies. So life is interesting around here, and I would love to have you stick around and be a part of our journey.
You're keeping up with steps I take, so we just dance alone. Yeah, we dance like no one's watching. So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I am feeling alright. Now I got you where I want. So call me out, baby. Together